Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. Today a little bit late, but I hope I will like we'll do the bias. Okay, so let's do the bias. So on daily, let me actually okay. So on daily, last week we Friday we dropped lower. Right now we are in this order block on ES. Actually, let me see something. Perfectly respecting equilibrium for our 1 4 hour. Damn. On 4 hour, price created this FEG here. Actually, on ES we disrespected, but on NQ we are respecting it nicely. We have also this devil mark right there, so I will be looking for it. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Right now, price reacted off of this. How to say? 1 hour BPR. Uh, 1 hour BPR. We have this FEG. No FEGs here. Consolidation. And if we drop into 15 minutes, we have those clears, equal highs right here, consolidation, manipulation, SMT. Also, there is algorithmic SMT, so price is really strong. And yeah, I will be looking for those highs for this devil mark. I would I will want to see what price is going to do in this 1 hour FEG, because if 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 this like if they want to set this week as a buy week, we need to make some kind of low. So I will be looking what will happen once we take those equal highs. But yeah, let me jump into 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, this accumulation here, setting market maker buy model. Some type of SMT here, but I don't care. There is also this SMT. Also, London didn't manipulate. The high was put at the wrong time. On NQ, the high was put at the... Damn! Like today I'm not prepared. Well, fuck. The high was prepared, like the high was created at midnight. On ES it was at 1:35, so it is also a wrong time to put the high of the day. Oh, and one thing that I see right now, we built this buy sell liquidity here, and because 8:30 didn't manipulate, because my bias is bullish, I'm looking for those highs here. At 9:30 I will be looking for price to drop lower, take those sell side liquidity, and I want to see manipulation here because 8:30 didn't manipulate. Yeah, so that's it. Maybe I miss probably I missed some important things, but generally that's what I will be looking for. And here we'll see. Yeah, so see you after the session, guys. So we are after the session. One win today, great. So let's quickly analyze what happened. So on daily, previous week made a huge drop lower. On ES. Price was in the discount of the range. There was also this order block. There was nice reaction on Friday. So today we could anticipate some movement higher, but I was also keeping in mind that there is this low, and probably or maybe price will want to create the low on Tuesday, for example. So if it's the buy week, 4 hour, on 4 hour there was this nice FVG which price was reacting. There was also this devil mark. On ES we disrespected this FVG, but because the price on NQ was respecting it. It was still valid for me. 1 hour. So on 1 hour there was so on 1 hour there was this SMT, algorithmic SMT on ES, like price delivered to the tick. So for me it was showing a strength. 1 hour BPR, devil mark. This 1 hour FVG, there was this consolidation, so I was looking at least for a retracement to this 1 hour FVG, and on NQ potentially this devil mark. And there was also one little thing. So on 15 minutes there were those equal highs here, devil mark. The high of the session was put at the wrong time, and what's more, it was looking like market maker buy model here with consolidation, manipulation to 1 hour BPR. SMT was looking bullish for me. 5 minutes, the same thing. The low was put at the 824 because my bias is bullish, and 830 didn't manipulate, just went higher. I was looking for 930 to manipulate. And yeah, let's drive into the charts to see actually what happened. 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. And yeah, that's actually what happened. So yeah, so that's how it looks right now on the 15 minutes. Let's go into 1 minute to analyze everything that happened. So 930 here, price didn't manipulate, so I was looking for a manipulation at 930. We manipulated, then we went higher, so I was thinking that this was already a manipulation, and I was looking for a breaker to form right here, but price respected this FVG. There was also a 5-minute breaker. Price respected this breaker and this FVG and went lower. And actually, like, seeing that, I was thinking that I think that bias is wrong, you know, but it was like strange to me. And after the session, I saw that there was this opening gap range, and actually once price dropped here, and also one thing, I don't know if it's like something, wait, let me see. Okay, so it doesn't matter, but there was this opening gap and price went to it, but didn't feel the 50%, which is also like how ICT often says that 70% of the time, like, price will fill this 50% of this gap. So that's actually what happened then. Price went higher, manipulate again, fill this 50%. We also respected 70% of the gap here, and then we created the low at 954. So this was still right time to create the low. There was also 15-minute FVG, so PDRA, right time. There was also SMT, and at 4 hour price was creating, like, before the 10 was creating this 4 hour FVG, which was also another draw on liquidity, like having this buy side and 4 hour FVG like at 10 was a lot of things there was a lot of things that price should take, you know, and that's actually what happened. So yeah, there was this breaker. I miss it because once I saw this, I said that, damn bro, and I went to kitchen to eat something good, you know. So after I come back something around here, and I saw this setup, but this was amazing setup, you know. If you take a look, 15-minute. So look, there was this 15-minute FVG as a short-term confluence that price will go here. This candle is from 9:45 to 10, and look, 9:45 to 10. So like there, you could have already knew that this 15-minute FVG would be created. would have been created, and that's what happened. Like price went here at 10, and you can just target this 15 FVG, but like you could just wait to see what price is going to do in this 15-minute FVG, because price could react, and once you see a reaction, you could just move stop loss to break even. So it was a great trade, but you could target those things here, and especially for our FVG, because there was this market maker buy model, like the higher time frame market maker buy model, turtle soup here. So this was the protected low price. If we are bullish, price shouldn't go below though, shouldn't go below this low. So there was this this setup. Then at 5 minutes we created CSD right here. Price touched the breaker, went higher into 4-hour FVG, and actually it was where I took the setup. So I wanted to take setup on this 5 minute breaker on the 5 minute, but price didn't return, like because we created this breaker, and here price just returned to the order block, but it didn't return. Like let me show you. You see, so like because at this time price was like price created this FVG, and I was looking for a comeback lower, you know. That didn't happen. Oh, there was SMT also, I see. Yeah, there was also SMT. There was this protected low, 5 minute intermediate term low. Yo, what's good, guys? Hope what's happened. Okay, 5 minute intermediate term low. Price created a 15 minute order block. So seeing all this shit, and also there was one thing. So price created this 15-minute order block here. We went higher, and there was this 1-hour FVG, and price didn't feel it, you know. There was just delivered to the tick. So once I saw that price is going lower, and I knew that this is protected high. Why? Because this was all protected low, because price went into this FVG. So right now this like at this moment it became intermediate term low. There was SMT as an additional confluence, and there was also a 15-minute order block, which was like another confluence that this low should be untouched. And here, entry on this breaker. I was targeting 1-hour FVG. I could target, of course, but that wasn't needed for me, especially right now if I'm using demo, you know. So that's not really a big case for me if I take 2-hour or 4-hour. I just wanted to take 2-hour to have a win. Yeah, and like I could also target it, because like once price was in this 4-hour FVG and we didn't react of it immediately, but price was going higher, accumulation here, it was like we could anticipate that this 4-hour devil mark and equal highs will be taken, and price is not going to come back here. Also, another thing is that it was after the 10, but once price created the low at 9.54, we don't expect to put the high at 10 as we always, like after 10 as we always do. Like when the low is put like close to the 10, we look for like 10 after 10:30, after like between 10:30 to 11:30, you know. Today price put the high at 10:40. So then what happened is price took those highs, and there was another entry. We were really close to the 4-hour FVG, and what happened here is that price went into the 5-minute FVG here, intermediate term low. Let me see how it was looking on ES. Okay, it is here. So on ES we took this wrong time high. Price could reverse here, but what I saw is that we were close to this 4-hour FVG on NQ. There was SMT, I see that, but seeing that we have this 4-hour FVG here, but let me see something. Also seeing like how price was going higher, you know, like there was momentum going higher. Let me see. Oh, it was here. it was here, price went to this FVG. So once price went into this FVG, once price went into this FVG, this became the 5-minute intermediate term low, so protected low. For our FVG, there was this SMT, I wasn't looking at it, and once price made a turtle soup here, like it started reacting. Wait, it was here, started reacting. Wait, let me see something. Okay, started reacting here. You could enter on this inverted NVG with protected low, but this would be the much better entry here, like much safer. Low here, you could target 1 hour, because I wouldn't target more, and then price was creating buy-sell liquidity here. We put the high at the right time, because like how I said, if we put the low at 9.54, we don't expect to put the high at, I don't know, 10.30. You know, it's price needs some time, you know. And also, this was an accumulation. This was selling market maker sell model. Then price was building sales liquidity here, dropping more retails to go long, and high at the right time. There was a great entry on ES. It was also like 1 hour. So actually, when the entry was forming here, there was the entry. There was the entry. So like, okay, so we didn't take those equal lows, but once we took those equal lows, it was here. It could be kind of sketchy because we didn't knew what price is going to do, but seeing, especially on 15 minutes, let me see 15 minutes, seeing how hard we are displacing here, we could anticipate a comeback to 50% of the range. We didn't, like price didn't do it. Price haven't done it yet. We'll see if it's going to do something like that. But here we had those FVGs here, which could be dark, which could have been a target. Which could be a target. Well, it's like sometimes I will be messing still in times. I don't know why I'm doing, like I'm still don't know when to properly use those times. I need to fucking learn it. Okay, so FVG, so there was this first FVG, but there was this another FVG, and 15-minute FVG on ES, targeting 1 hour here. It would be 2 hour trade, but probably I would have my stop loss here, like covering the 50% of this FVG, so 1.5 or 5 hour. So like one setup here, entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here. Like this is the same, I would say. So like 1, 2, 3 entries. Okay, there are four entries here. Beautiful session. And like I'm not sure. Like I feel that today's review wasn't the best. I don't know. Like maybe I wasn't prepared the best, you know. Also one thing that is.
Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well.
So started.
You know what we are doing.
Price started to like spool higher. Right at the 10, you know, because there was a lot of buy side liquidity, like those table mark equal highs, and especially this for our FVG, and so I'm not sure if it's like I feel that today's review was poor, but it is what it is. I will try to do best tomorrow, and see ya.